Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to sync your Apple Music library. First, open the Settings app on your device. Scroll down until you find the Music option and tap it. Inside the Music settings, locate the Sync Library toggle. Make sure this feature is turned on. This allows your entire music collection, including playlists and downloaded songs, to be accessible across all your Apple devices. It's a crucial first step for a seamless listening experience. After enabling Sync Library on one device, it's important to check your other Apple devices. Make sure every device you want to sync is signed in with the exact same Apple ID. Then, repeat the process of enabling Sync Library within the music settings on each of those devices. Also, ensure all your devices are running the latest operating system for optimal performance and compatibility. This consistency ensures your music library updates everywhere. If your library isn't syncing correctly, don't worry, there are a few simple fixes. First, verify you have a stable internet connection, as syncing requires data transfer. Try closing and reopening the Music app or even restarting your entire device. If issues persist, go to your music settings, sign out of your Apple ID, wait a few moments, and then sign back in. These steps often resolve most syncing glitches quickly. With your Apple Music library now perfectly synced, you can enjoy your entire collection across all your devices, whether you're on your iPhone, iPad, or Mac. Your playlists, albums, and downloaded tracks are all available, providing a consistent and convenient listening experience wherever you go. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy your music and stay refreshed.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.